Welcome to our full guide on how to hide YouTube Shorts on Windows 10 PC. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to remove those short videos from your YouTube experience, allowing you to browse without any distractions. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser such as Chrome or Firefox on your Windows 10 PC. Go to the Chrome Web Store or Mozilla Firefox Add-ons. Step 2. In the search bar, type ShortsBlocker and press Enter. Step 3. Click the Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox button to install the extension. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, open YouTube in your web browser. Step 5. Now you'll notice that all the YouTube Shorts videos are removed from the service. You can now browse YouTube without seeing any short videos. That's it! With ShortsBlocker installed, you can enjoy a distraction-free YouTube experience, free from those pesky Shorts videos. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Happy browsing!